Vermeer is well known for making a real impact in a progressing world, providing customers with agricultural and industrial equipment that's built tough for performance and value. But back at headquarters in Pella, Iowa, Vermeer is making an impact on its own productivity and the environment, like in Plant 3, where the PD-10 pile driver is assembled.
Back in the day, we bay build the machine, and now we're doing the assembly process, starting from an engine and building it all the way up to the PD-10 the way it is today.
The machine stops at 6 different stations along the line.
We build the engine, the mast, we do small subs, as well as all the individual areas where we put those subs on the machine.
And that new process has resulted in some major efficiencies.
We went from 157 hours down to around roughly 58 right now.
All of which has been a team effort.
We did a lot of work with our engineers to better the processes, taking care of the repetitive problems that we have on a daily basis, and listening to our customers as well.
And while Vermeer is increasing productivity in its PD-10 assembly, those customers who use the PD-10 on the job are seeing an impact on productivity too.
We did our first array with the PD-10 2 years ago this coming summer, and the first thing we notice is that it's just so much faster. We can cycle a post in about 2 minutes.
Stanley says setting posts used to be a 2-day process.
We used to drill the footings with concrete and put in the J-bolts and rebar.
Adding to the high cost of solar.
Time is money.
But that's where the PD-10 makes its biggest impact.
To make the solar more economical for everyone, you really have to be able to get it in relatively quick. This machine here, you couldn't do it without it. It dramatically increased our speed.
A key reason why Vermeer itself contracted with Eagle Point Solar to install this solar field behind Plant 1 on the Vermeer Mile.
Their engineers figured out how we could start small and yet have the ability to grow that field to the size we were after.
Beller says this new solar field can produce 100 kilowatts of electricity.
We hope to be able to go to an 800 kilowatt system that will encompass this whole field with solar panels and allow us to reap enough energy off of that to pretty much run one production plant.
Doing its part to go green in a resource-conscious economy.
With all the energy projects that we do, we try to improve working conditions while at the same time using less of our natural resources to do so.
Something Vermeer takes seriously while creating a positive impact on the environment, a positive impact in the plant, and a positive impact for the customer.
We're making improvements out here, and it's something we're proud of and proud to show off.